As a leading service provider of janitorial services for government contractors, we specialize in delivering top-tier administrative and back-end operations management. Our expertise ensures seamless support for your janitorial contracts, allowing you to focus on delivering exceptional cleaning services while we handle the operational complexities. From scheduling and resource allocation to compliance and reporting, our team streamlines processes to meet the stringent requirements of government contracts. We excel in RFP submissions and proposal preparation, with proven success on platforms like SAM.gov, bonfire.com, and DemandStar. Our dedicated professionals are well-versed in navigating these systems, crafting compelling, compliant proposals that maximize your chances of securing contracts. We meticulously analyze solicitation requirements, develop tailored responses, and ensure timely submissions, adhering to all regulatory guidelines. Our strategic approach to proposal preparation highlights your strengths, aligns with government priorities, and positions you as a competitive bidder. With a focus on efficiency and precision, we provide end-to-end support, from contract bidding to operational execution. Partner with us to leverage our administrative expertise and proposal proficiency, ensuring your janitorial services stand out in the government contracting space. Let us help you win more contracts and deliver outstanding results with confidence.